Amman or Aman from India.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
So, Sheikh, I need your advice regarding the Ahlul Hadith community here in Mumbai. Now, the thing is, after being with them for so many years, I have now understand that they are super Salafis, as they always criticize others in their lecture. They only talks about manhaj, and they have lots of videos against you, warning us to watch you, as they say that you are Ikhwani along with other da'is on YouTube. And they have lots of errors, like they say Allahu Akbar after salam of each salah. They say a woman in menses can enter a masjid. They say Muslims are allowed to join in.
Akhi, you don't have to repeat what they say. If in general you have only Ahlul Hadith, you have to side with them because they have the correct Aqeedah. If these Ahlul Hadith have the correct Aqeedah but the wrong manhaj, and they are, as you describe, their part may be murji'ah, maybe, which is bad Aqeedah, but let's assume, because labeling people and giving names is very easy. So if they have the correct Aqeedah but go out of their way to criticize anyone on the arena doing da'wah, calling people, teaching people, correcting people's Aqeedah, and simply because they don't believe in their manhaj and they don't follow their allama XYZ, and they don't blindly follow what they say and endorse whom they endorse and reject and refute whom they reject and refute, they would label them as Khawarij, as Ikhwani, as Sururi, as blah, blah, blah. All of these rhetorics come from ignorant people. Dogs that bark don't bite, let alone if a small chihuahua. So let them bark, akhi. So what should I do? Should I change my Aqeedah from Ahl Hadith? Definitely not. But choose a better, moderate a group following the Sunnah, following the akhlaq of the Prophet ﷺ and his companions. And don't be with these people to be safe. And Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.